All right, y'all. So I was looking at some Z-Gallerie artwork online and I was like, nope, not paying $250. Let's do it ourselves. Let's get to it. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do some DIY Z-Gallerie inspired artwork. So I'm starting off with this huge white canvas, and as you can see, I'm just using some regular old black acrylic paint. This was no more than $2 from Walmart. So I just wanted to basically make the strokes through the middle section of the painting. I did not want it to go all over. I only wanted my design in the middle, but you can do yours as you see fit. So once I had that nice design going, I wanted to make a more polished outcome. So I decided to take the black paint and paint black all around the edges. I'm sorry if it got a little, dark with the lighting, but as you can probably tell, I did this outside and it begun to get dark. So I'm just going to take my time and go ahead and paint the edges carefully. Try not to get the black on the white part, but if you do, it's all right. You can always go back over it later. For anyone that's new to my channel, let me just stop and say hello. How are you doing? My name is Cicely. I go by Cicely. I'm a disabled mother of 2 young boys. I'm disabled by way of sickle cell anemia, and I figured it was important just to start making content to show you if I can make it through hospitalizations and other, trials and tribulations, you can get up and get through life too. You can do it, and we can do it together. So I enjoy vlogging, I do DIYs and home decor, and sometimes we do recipes. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the channel. We'd love to have you. All right, y'all. So once you get your first layer of black down, I went in with some chalk paint. You can use acrylic paint, but I went in with some white chalk paint just because that's what I had on hand, and I wanted to kind of break up some of the black. I'm redoing my living room, so if you've been with me for a while, you know I love the pink and the gray. I was over that, so I was like, you know what, let's do more of the black and white, and I just wanted to add in a little bit of blue. So you make your design however you see fit. This is just how I'm doing mine. Now, because I wanted the majority of this painting to be black, I went ahead and added a final layer of black acrylic paint just to break up some of the blue that I had going on. At this point, I pretty much had the middle kind of how I wanted it. So I was anxious and I went ahead and started adding some of the glass. This is actually a Pyrex baking dish that exploded on the stove. And I was like, nope, not trashing it. This would make for some good recycled glass to use for an art project. And here we are. So let me know down in the comments, what types of things do you use to recycle around your home? It could be for artwork or storage or anything. I'm just curious how else people recycle items in their home for further use. So I'm just taking some of the tacky glue. This tacky glue I got in a 3-pack from Amazon, and I'll be sure to include it in the link below. I wanted to put glue on the bottom, and because it dries clear, I also went back with a thin paintbrush and put a little bit of glue on the top of each piece of glass just to make sure any pieces or cracks that got broke from the fall was still secure, because this is hanging in my home. I wanted it to be as safe as possible. So, just make sure you keep that in mind. This right here is glitter paint, but it has like a black base. So I'm just taking my time to add it in between the different sections of the broken glass, and then I'll add smaller pieces of broken glass once I'm all finished. So right here, I was just trying to explain to my boyfriend basically my process and, what my design, how I wanted it to look. That I was telling him I wanted everything to be all the way centered and not have it too wild. So this is how it looks so far. I just put it up outside just so I could, see how it looked. And after reviewing it, I felt like the design got a little bit too wild, like it's stretched out too far. So what I'm doing now is taking some clear Scotch tape, and I'm going to basically tape off just the middle of the design, and all of the paint, whether it's black, white, or blue, that's on the outside of these pieces of tape. I'm going to take these sponges and some white acrylic paint and just paint over it, if that makes any sense. You'll see in the end what I mean. I just wanted a more clean and polished look so that the design is only in the middle of the canvas. If you're enjoying the video, do me a big favor and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps to circulate my content throughout YouTube. My goal for, this summer is to just continue to grow, and I'm trying to reach 500 more subscribers. So help us increase our family. We're almost done, guys. Soon it'll be time for the review.